Hi, this is Kimberly Miller with the Palm Beach Post. We have a super quick weekend weather update for you. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. We're going to have highs struggling to reach 80 degrees Saturday and Sunday, and lows in the low 60s. And inland, it's going to be in the low 50s, or in the high 50s, I'm sorry. Now, what happened was we had a weak cool front that went through yesterday. It dried everything out. It's going to stay dry this weekend. There's going to be another cool front that comes down, and it's going to really bring some wintry weather to the northeast, but it is going to stall in North Florida here, and we're not really going to get that. You don't need to see that big, now you can see it's going to stall right here. So we're not going to get that cool air, but it's going to stay dry. National Weather Service said, again, high 50s inland and low 60s on the coast. Okay, so the tropics are calm. We still have 3 more weeks of hurricane season, but nothing's expected for the next 5 days, and things are really winding down. The big, beach forecast. Right now, today, there's a moderate risk of rip currents, but the wind is going to be dying down through the weekend, and there probably will be no risk. Still swim near a lifeguard. That's always good. The big treat this weekend is the supermoon, which is actually becoming full on Monday.
You can see it from your backyard, your front yard. All you need to do is to be able to find some place where the moon is clear of the trees and it's yours.
The moon is going to be this is the supermoon of supermoons on Monday. It's going to become full Monday morning, but it is going to rise at 6 p.m. and you'll be able to see it big over the beach as it comes up. We have not had a moon this close to Earth since 1948, and it won't be this close again until 2034. So this is going to be a real treat. Now, it's also called the full beaver moon. So some scientists have a concern about using the supermoon. There's lots of different definitions of supermoon. So this is slew.com. They're using the mega moon this time, and it's also called the beaver moon because it's tied back to the Native Americans. This was the time to set the beaver traps before the streams and rivers started to freeze over. Now, with the full moon, we're also going to see some tidal flooding this month. You remember in October, we had a coastal flooding warning or watch up because of the high tides. And we're going to see that again. It's probably not going to be as bad as it was in October because we had Hurricane Matthew had just passed. We were still getting waves pushing in and wind pushing in from that. Again, the wind is going to be light this time, so it's going to be just your typical annual king tides. They usually are bad September, October, November. We probably won't see them again in December, so it'll be next fall. Again, it's going to be a great weekend. This is Kimberly Miller with the Palm Beach Post. Check out my weather blog at palmbeachpost.com.